Motorola was present at CES 2020 where it showcased its new foldable smartphone. Hello guys and welcome to Gadgets 360. This is our first look at the Motorola Razr 2019. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so you know when we post a new video. The Motorola Razr 2019 is pretty reminiscent of the original Motorola Razr, including the curved bottom chin. But don't get fooled by nostalgia because everything has changed. This new design is even water repellent. The Motorola Razr uses an advanced flexible OLED screen and a hinge mechanism that allows the phone to close with both sides lying flat against each other. When unfolded, you get a 6.2-inch HD+ OLED display with a tall 21:9 aspect ratio. There's a secondary 2.7-inch quick view display on the outside that can be used to take selfies, check notifications, control music playback, and more when the device is folded. On the software side, the phone runs stock Android 9 Pie, and the company has made sure that when you flip the phone open, whatever you were doing on the quick view display seamlessly transitions to the main display. This phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 SoC coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of inbuilt storage. The battery capacity is 2510 mAh. This phone doesn't have any physical SIM slots, so you have to use an eSIM. In terms of cameras, there's a 16-megapixel camera with an f1.7 aperture that acts as its primary shooter in the phone's unfolded state and can also be used for selfies when the phone is folded. There is also a 5-megapixel camera on the inside of the new Motorola Razr in the main display's notch. The price of the Motorola Razr 2019 is set at $1,499, which is roughly 1,07,000 rupees before taxes. The official price and availability details for India are yet to be announced. That was our first look at the Motorola Razr 2019. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.